Excessive worrying. People with anxiety disorders often worry excessively or have a sense of dread, usually lasting 6 months or longer. These anxious feelings can stem from school, the workplace, social interactions, personal relationships, health, finances, and more. 2. Difficulties sleeping and restlessness. It is very common for anxiety to keep people awake at night, especially the night before an event that is contributing to the fear and tension. Getting a good night's sleep can feel impossible for some individuals, who find themselves tossing and turning in bed because of anxiety. Sleep is essential for just about every function in the body, including your mental health. In fact, sleep problems can also be a contributor to anxiety and often make things worse. 3. Fatigue. Even if the individual manages to get to sleep, and an adequate amount of it, someone who experiences anxiety may feel unsatisfied, experience fatigue throughout the day, or become easily tired. Anxiety can be emotionally exhausting and can make getting through the day more cumbersome. When you are tired, your mood can also fluctuate, possibly leading to depression, a condition that is frequently related with anxiety disorders. 4. Concentration issues. Having difficulty concentrating is a common symptom of an anxiety disorder that can also be considered a side effect of worry or sleep problems. If you struggle to complete work or school assignments and find yourself blanking out, anxiety may be to blame. Those who have this symptom might also procrastinate, either knowingly or unknowingly. That is, if they aren't already distracted by anxious thoughts, they might find ways to distract themselves from those feelings and the things that are contributing to their stress. 5. Irritability and tension. Anxiety can cause people to feel on edge frequently. Sometimes, those who are lost in thought about something worrisome might feel caught off guard, or they might become easily angered and will lash out at others when stressed out. Individuals living with anxiety might also find that they lose their patience much quicker than in the past. Tension may also manifest in the body, leading to tense muscles and various aches and pains. 6. Increased heart rate and palpitations. Some of the most prevalent physical symptoms of anxiety involve the heart. When faced with a situation that induces stress, a person may notice that their heart rate goes up or begins to feel irregular. These feelings are very common during panic attacks, and are also often experienced by those with social anxiety disorder. Panic attacks are typically short-lived, but those with a panic disorder will experience them regularly. 7. Sweating and hot flashes. An increase in body temperature often comes from one's heart rate and blood pressure going up. Therefore, those who have higher heart rates while experiencing anxious feelings may also find that they are feeling more body heat and sweating excessively. 8. Trembling and shaking. The stress associated with anxiety can cause a person's limbs to shake uncontrollably, especially the hands. There are different types of tremors. The ones that are associated with anxiety are often caused by adrenaline and the fight or flight response. Although this feeling is temporary, it is still uncomfortable and can create more fear and anxiety. 9. Chest pains and shortness of breath. Someone with an anxiety disorder may experience chest pain or shortness of breath, particularly during a panic attack. They may feel like they cannot get enough oxygen in their lungs and experience a sensation of tightness or pain in their chest. 10. Feelings of terror or impending doom. These particular symptoms can be quite severe and paralyzing. A feeling that something bad is about to happen, or is in the process of happening, can sometimes appear out of nowhere. These symptoms often pass within a few minutes, and although they are scary, they aren't inherently dangerous and are sometimes disproportional to the actual events that cause anxiety and panic. Anxiety affects millions of people around the world, and although everyone has different reasons for feeling worried and stressed out, you are not alone, and support is always available. Hopefully, This video has helped you to recognize if you may be experiencing symptoms of an anxiety disorder, and you will feel encouraged to reach out and find assistance. Regardless if this is all new to you, or if you have struggled with symptoms for years, always keep in mind that anxiety doesn't need to be a permanent state, and you can begin to overcome it with someone who understands what you are feeling. It's never too late. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.